Making money in the oil industry used to be pretty simple. If you found it, you drilled it, and you made a whole lot of profit. Today, the picture has somewhat changed. Each exploration project encounters different challenges requiring a diverse range of geological expertise. We have talked to top geologists of Russia's major oil companies to find out how actual geology helped them achieve their success.
Helium surveying highlights sweet spots and provides a forecast of fluid saturation. Finding such sweet spots is the principal objective of geological work, and if a huge territory is being studied, it makes no sense to carry out 2D regional seismic followed by 3D work on the elevations which are discovered. Helium surveying can pick out sweet spots, and seismic work, confirming the find by a second method, should be limited to these spots. This makes sense because the next step is prospecting and evaluation by drilling, which is associated with very high costs.
Andrei Kachkin ordered a helium survey to take place in Russia in 2007. The field has now been drilled over. A crude production at helium anomalies discovered by the survey is 5 times greater than elsewhere at the fields, and initial flow rates are 45% higher.
Our region has very well-studied geology and a high level of commercial oil and gas finds. We use helium surveying at prospecting stage in order to locate fields at new territories with minimal costs. When we develop oil and gas fields, we encounter zones with very high flow rates and production wells. Wells that were drilled earlier have been retested after interpretation of helium survey data, and we have obtained high flow rates at wells which had been idle. Firstly, helium surveying makes it possible to find accumulations, which require unconventional methods for their discovery and development. Accumulations in accessible locations with lithological difficulties, non-structural traps, and accumulations of heavy oil. This is a 21st century technology, a tool that enables discovery of accumulations in non-classical reservoirs and traps. Actual Geology executed a helium survey of a license area of Gazprom in the course of 2 seasons of fieldwork. The total survey area was 1,400 square kilometers, and an observation grid of 300 by 300 meters was used, 11 points per square kilometer. The survey identified anomalies with heightened concentrations and intensive variations of helium levels. 2D seismic fieldwork was carried out at the same time at 2.5-kilometer intervals. Results of the helium and seismic surveys were compared. The anomalies identified by the 2 methods practically coincide, which confirms quality, accuracy, and reliability of the helium survey. Some of the anomalies identified by the helium survey even give broader prospects for oil and gas presence. The results of the work have been used to site a first prospecting well. Gazprom will drill the well in the immediate future. The helium method is highly promising and has a great future. Further development depends on one thing, the apparatus. Excellent results are being obtained even using the apparatus which is now available, results which tally with real facts, with real oil and gas accumulations that are discovered using this apparatus. If it can be improved, the method will also improve. Of course, problems will arise, but they can always be resolved when an objective has been defined. Helium surveying and helium measurement technology have a future.
Так что я думаю, что все будет очень хорошо.